And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to update your firmware on wireless earbuds. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first step you need to do is simply go to App Store or Play Store and download the official app of that particular earbuds. So if I'm using like Galaxy earbuds, then you can simply go and tap on Galaxy earbud app. So once you have done this, you need to install this official app. And once you have officially simply downloaded it, you can connect earbuds to the app. You can open the official app and pair and connect your earbud via Bluetooth. Now look for the section like firmware update. You can simply find it within the earbud settings. So once you have found that, you can update firmware. If an update is available, the app will notify you and tap on update or install. After this, keep the earbuds in their charging case and ensure that they are charged up to 50%. Now stay near your phone while update downloads and installs and verify your update. Once you have done this, you will be able to update your firmware on wireless earbuds. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.